Well, today I'm going to be doing another paint pour, and this time I'm doing it on two separate canvases. I want them to come out looking similar, so similar colours, but other than that, I'm not really bothered. And again, I'm following some of the lessons I learned from JMO, and I'm hoping to get some chameleon cells. So I've got all my paints mixed up here. I've got a yellow, a blue, a white, a gold, and a red. And I'm going to layer these in as I go. And I'm going to do both cups at the same time, trying to put the same amount in each cup as I go. And this gold here is a really pretty gold. I'm hoping it's going to show once it comes out, and that it isn't all a fluke and it's not all going to turn to mud like it has always done for me before. I've had some successes recently and I'm really pleased about that. I'm not too bothered if the whole canvas doesn't get covered either. We will have to see what happens. I've got a bit of yellow left over, so I'm going to stick that in both, hopefully with a little bit of white over the top. No, I've not got much left, but oh well. That'll have to do. So I'm going to flip them over on the canvas like that. There we go. And now I'm going to lift this slightly, bring it through like this. And the same for this one. And now I'm going to bring my tray out so I can pour my skin onto that. Because I'm going to... Actually, I think this is going to probably fill the whole canvas. Oh, that's looking very pretty already. Some of it has gone a little bit muddy. Probably the order I put the colours in. That'll be okay. This one seems to have gone less muddy. That would do different with this one. Right, so now I've got my tray now of paint that I can use in my jewellery and anything like that. I'm going to pop the bubbles. I think they look quite pretty together. Clean your hands up. So this is the miracle stuff it uses, which is a coconut milk. It's a hair serum. And I'm going to pop a little bit into a pot. Not much. Oh, it smells lovely. And this is what he uses. He puts a bit of that hair serum on his toothpick and then he dips in like this. And it creates cells and then they keep opening up. Oh, and they are looking quite pretty. Because there was no silicone oil at all in the ones that I used, in the paints or anything. All I'm using is this to try and create the cells. Just doing a random pattern going all the way down. And the cells apparently keep opening up as you make them. And it smells absolutely delicious. I just want to say a massive thank you to all the people who got me a coffee last month. I really do appreciate it. I know times are hard, but it's people like you that allow me to keep making videos, keep practicing stuff and buying stuff to keep making these videos. So thank you so much. I'm trying to do a same pattern on both of them, though I'm not really succeeding very much, but there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and then I'll show you what these look like once I've finished putting all the cells in. And then I'll show you what they look like dry. Well, I'm really pleased with the way that's all of a sudden started to blossom and emerge. My goodness me. JMO, thank you so much for the tip about using that coconut oil. It really works a treat. I would like a bit more definition in my colours. Some of them are looking a little bit muddy, but that's probably just the way I poured. And once I've got the varnish on it, hopefully it's going to look amazing. I will show you this again once it's dry. But as you can see, those cells are really starting to spread out now. Now these are dry and varnished, I think they look really pretty. I do think the red is come out a little bit more muddy. You can definitely see the gold that I put in there. My son thinks they look like snake skin, and I'm going to play around with that actual technique a little bit more. I've definitely learned a lot. Thank you, JMO, for your brilliant tuition. And I'll link his channel in the description below. I'll link everything else that I used as well in the description below. Let me know if you think I'm getting better or not. Who knows? Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.